1-0 to begin this ball game. May Kawayan with Sean Argente taking the free, no good. Tabikan ng bola na kay Josh Gia. Pasturan, open look from downtown. He hits it.
And now he brings that mentality. He had that, 24 points a couple weeks back wherein he's knocked in about 6 3-pointers.
Yeah.
One of 6 players in the last game, 5, excuse me, who were in double figures in the last game with 10. Fast break opportunity. Getting popular, at least in May Kawayan, averaging close to 13 points, a rebound, an assist.
Collado inside. Particularly shooting the ball well from the outside. And it's nice to see him back as May Kawayan comes away with a steal. Apolonio, easy basket on the other end.
Parang gusto mong nagpapahiwati ka, gusto mong bumalik sa dagat sa Mindoro.
Pasturan, another good look. Gets the friendly bounce. Back the other way, Valenzuela trailing by 8. Melencio, jump shot, good.
That's just poor transition defense. I read your mind. So kinontra ko na before you even say it. Miranda, another kick out.
Open look again. Naive hits it from downtown. In Mindoro.
I told you.
Narinig,
It's a good sign.
Pero nakaago na naman ang May Kawayan. Kaampi kayo.
Kinakarga, like literally.
Okay.
Because maliit pa sila nun eh. Sila magkapatid, sila ni David. And just goes to show everything about her. I'm just kidding, Mika.
Jello Obuye susubok ulit sa tres. Yes! Cuts the lead down to 7.
Miranda has been looking into distribution mode. Has he even taken a shot? Ito pa lang. Oh, yun.